Hey, what's up, Flat Earth? We've all seen this before. This is the NASA ISS live feed footage. Clearly, something doesn't seem right here. An added curve. Maybe the ISS seems a little bit too high. And at 17,000 miles an hour, I would think the Earth should be moving under it a little faster.
Here's the International Space Station. Yeah, look at that nice big portion of the surface in view. Unfortunately, this isn't to scale. Often imagine that from the International Space Station, astronauts see the Earth like this, but they're just not that far away. From where they actually orbit, International Space Station residents only see about 3% of Earth's surface at any one time. Using special lenses, images can be taken from the ISS that look like circular disk Earths, but the lens is distorting things here. It's fitting much more into the picture. The size of an apple. How far away would the International Space Station orbit? Like this far away? Maybe this far away. Or maybe this far away. Actually, it orbits here, 2.7 millimeters above the surface.
Of all of NASA's pictures, we all have seen this one. This is the picture of Earth from the surface of the moon, 239,000 miles away. In 2008, NASA claims to have captured raw footage of the moon transiting Earth from 31 million miles away.